Hi, welcome to my website, Legos for Literacy. The main purpose of this website is to help generate enthusiasm for the cause with a focus on the funds needed to purchase the Legos for the youth that put the time and effort into literacy. I wanted to design a site that would catch the eye of both the young and old alike. I chose bright, bold, and playful colors that represent Legos. I used photos that tried to capture the feel that Legos and literacy could go together, as my leading photos suggest. I purposefully used colors that are in the logo. I built the logo on a gray Lego base plate and used bright Lego bricks and pieces for the lettering. I gave the site 5 sections that one can easily navigate to by either scrolling down or by clicking on the nav links at the top in the header. I feel I made sound design decisions by using the following design principles. First, repetition. This can be seen through my use of color throughout the website. Next, contrast. This can be seen through my choice of typography and colors. My headers are a large, thick slab serif turnip black, while my body is smaller Davis Sans. I wanted fonts that were easy to read. Reading can be challenging, and I don't want fonts that would add to the challenge. Lastly, proximity and alignment. As I decided how wide to make my block sections, I really enjoyed the ease of snapping lines together as I used the Adobe XD platform for mocking out the layout. I learned several things by taking this class. My understanding of HTML and CSS has increased. I learned XD and the Adobe Photoshop platforms, how to make photos web-friendly. And I feel like I'm breaking through this new language barrier. It's coming. I can do this. One of the struggles that I felt that I had with this class was realizing that some of my creative ideas were still above my current skill set, and I needed to ditch them so I could get the project done. I really appreciate it, and thank you for your time.